What's up? I'm Tim Heatherly. This song that I wrote for my buddy Nate, who passed away on March 16th, 2012. I wrote this song. Jake Hammel's going to play guitar and sing. He came up with the melody for it. And it's for you, Nate.
Wish I knew what was going on. I wish I could have told you to just hold on. I wish I could have helped you be strong. I wish I knew what was wrong with you. Now you're gone and it's too late. I see that smile at the pearly gates. You're not gone, you're still here in my heart and in my beer. My sorrows, it's so hard knowing there's no tomorrow. The way you looked at things from an angle, now you're gone. You're my guardian angel. The way you spoke when you said that word. Now check your butt and fly, free bird. Everything you said became a catchphrase. Heaven is where you'll spend the rest of your days. You always gave love, never had hate. You always had a can of grizzly straight. You were always there for everyone else. All you had to do was ask for some help, and it was all okay. It was that smile, every day. Where you smile in the hallway, where you laugh and always played, where you took away my sorrow. It's so hard knowing there's no tomorrow. Looked at things from an angle, and now you're gone. You're my guardian angel. The way you spoke when you said that word. Check your butt and fly. Smile in the hallway, the way you spoke that word. Check your butt and fly, free bird. Check your butt and fly. Love and miss you, Nate.
For you, buddy.